Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use the if function in Excel. It is completely easy. So for example, I have made a chart where I have written the material cost, furniture cost, labor cost, and their budget are like this, and the actual cost of the material, furniture or labor is this. So in this project I want to find whether my cost is within the budget or over budget. So how we can do that? With the help of if function we can easily find it. So just hit on the insert function, okay, and here you can type if like this, and then you will just have to press on go, and this is how you can find the if function. Just click on the if function and hit okay. Okay, so now we have successfully added the command, and here the main part, the first thing is logical test, where we need to give them a criteria. So what is my criteria? My criteria is this actual value should be lesser than budget. So how I can do that? Just click on the actual value, then hit less than symbol, and now click on the budget like this. So we have successfully created a scenario, or you can say a criteria. So this is true value, and if the value is true, what you want to type, you can just type. So in my case, if the actual cost is lesser than the budget, I will type here within budget. Okay, and then I will type here, if the value is false, I will type over budget. After you done with this, you just have to click on ok, and as you can see, the actual cost is lesser than the budget. So this status is now showing within budget. And if you want to apply this formula to all the columns, what you can do, just move your cursor to the exactly below the rectangle like this, and once you get this, just hold the left click and move it till your last column. As you can see, the status is now updated, like labor cost is over budget. As you can see, the actual cost is higher than the budget, so it is showing over budget. This is within budget, within budget. So this is how you can use the if function in Excel. I hope this tutorial helps you, and if this, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.